Oh. Hi friends, today we're trying 5 viral hairstyles that I saw on TikTok to see if they actually work as promised. When I see these viral hairstyles, they always made it seem like it's so easy, you know? It probably is for them, not for me. There's something in here that doesn't connect, I'm aware of, and I never get it. The other day I came across this video and it has 30 million views. I want to have bows on my head. When I look at it, it looks so simple. You just connect dot, dot, a lot of hair, dot, and boom, you got bows on your head. Now that my hair is part, the worst transition ever. They do look uneven. We're gonna do the bows. Just let it loose a little bit. Zoom in, zoom out. I keep it like this. I'm aware of. Now in each connect, hair tie, boom. Oh, beautiful. We're gonna just twist it until we form the bow. This was meant to work. Bow. This is where all the dreams and hopes die. I feel like I got this. I feel it, I feel it. I think I got it. It looks funny though. Look at that bow. When I look in a mirror, it looks a little bit better. Doesn't look that good. For the first time trying this on my hair that is so difficult, this is definitely a win. Yeah! Next hairstyle has 47 million views. When I saw this hairstyle, I was like, they got tons of hair to work on it. Wow. My respect. This is aesthetic vibes all over the place. The only question is, can I do it? Let's do it. You're just gonna divide your hair in 3 sections. The section in the middle kind of have to be a little bit thick, you know, so you just use those hairs on the sides to start braiding. The hairstyle goddess was in me at that moment, okay? And I felt like I was doing a great job. Now what do? It doesn't show you what to do. I feel like this is the best I can do. I wonder how it's to look. Oh. Looks better. What a disappointment. I don't think I'm accomplishing the same kind of sleek aesthetic look. It doesn't look as good as I felt. To do it to yourself, it's alright. I think that if I try it again, it might look alright. Maybe not. I feel like it will be easier to do it on somebody else. Let me just tell you, this doesn't work when I do it myself. What a disappointment. The next hairstyle has tons of that thing, you know, called hair. It's 23 million people was doing the same type of hairstyle that I do and wanted a little bit of a spiciness. Okay, let's try it out. It seems so easy. She crossed them like this. I'm just gonna grab some extra hair from parts that I don't have. Now I'm gonna do the same one in here. This is how we're looking right now. We'll trust the process, okay? Go back to your regular position. Okay, you cross here. Woo! And then she goes and does this to add. I don't know if this looks cute though. It feels like it's a cute mess, you know? I like how secure the hairstyle feels right now. With the old version, normally that hairstyle wouldn't last for a very long time, like it will start to fall. Personally, it feels like I have a little bit more volume. It does work. I just think that this will probably look much better on someone with my hair. Next hairstyle involves a braid. It looks super simple and very cute. It's gonna be a really helpful hairstyle for people that have short hair. It looks like it will work okay on long hair, but we'll see. Let's try. Now, braided time. This is, I'm a pro. Huge steps. There you go. You have no idea. What's next? Here with another hair tie. Looks like the braid has to end right here. Grab this part and it's gonna do like this. Boom. It looks weird. Ooh. Right? Yeah. How do we look in the back? This one seemed like it went a little bit better. This one, no. I'm aware of. This hairstyle was supposed to like prevent those kind of little hairs and we have in the back to not be showing, but as you can see, I still got those hairs coming out. I don't think it works. At least for me. Let's try something else. The claw clip.
Here's the next hairstyle. If I put that claw clip on my ponytail, it will literally eat my whole hair. With my 4 strands, I'm still gonna give it a try.
Because of the situation, I'm using this tiny medium size because she uses like the extra large. She just starts with a regular ponytail, so that's what I'm gonna do. And we're gonna divide that ponytail in half and put that thing in there, the claw clip. Like this, you're like, wow, Doro. Wow, Doro.
That's not good.
None of those volume hair hacks work on my hair. They never show the size. I wanted to see the side, and that's where the problem is. No. It doesn't work on my hair.
No.
That's it. It doesn't work. Nope. I had so much fun recording this video, and please let me know in the comments below if you think that I mastered the double bow hairstyle or if it looked okay, or should I never do it, okay? Because it looked bad on me. But that one is so cute, and I can't wait to try it out again so that I can get it right so the bows don't look that crazy. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida.
I always feel like in camera, I don't get to. This is like the best. For my potential. I'm just gonna get all destroyed. I can feel it. I can tell it. No way. No, this is. And it feels heavy too. Look at that thing going. Where's it? This is like so tight. That's hair that I just cut with the scissors.
I'm gonna get a little bit wild in here. We're gonna do this, okay? I'm sorry that I recorded with such oily hair, but